Stop playing with her. Stiff wear. Hey guys, so this is a hair review which I will be installing in this video. This hair is by AliPearl. Now, I was asleep on them, but today I'm woke because this hair was everything I needed in an everyday wig, okay? This hair is from AliPearl. This is a 12-inch straight hair bob. The density is 180. The color is, I believe, natural 1B. The lace is medium brown. And it can be dyed, bleached, permed, and restyled. The hair was very soft. It did not have any funny smells. And again, it is very beginner friendly, coming from someone like me. You know, I'm just your average Joe. So if I can do it, you can do it as well. I didn't do any plucking and bleaching. So other than that, I definitely have a lot to learn, but this wig did come out good. So stay tuned to see the process of me applying this wig. Stop playing with her. Stiff wear. Stop playing. Stop playing. This is like the perfect length. Like, come on, like, come on. Momager. Yes, the camera died. I went to sleep with my makeup on. And yeah, I really was not expecting for this lace to come like this. Do you not know I'm about to order some more wigs from them? I don't care. Look at this wig. It's giving me, who is it giving me? Babe, who's this wig giving you? Who's this wig giving you?
What happened?
Who is this wig giving you?
I don't know, it's giving me a hard on.
It's giving you what?
A hard on.